next we have Chris again, actually. Chris is going to come up with Apurva and Chitnis to do a sketch that Apurva wrote over the last couple of days.
The year is 2214. All science teachers are dead. Governments have fallen. It's a dark, dire time. Debauchery, drugs and alcohol, now the new established order. It doesn't sound too bad, but trust me, it feels worse than the black guy does at a Conservative Party conference. And inspired as this film, I'm not drug lords, pimps, or Charlie Sheen, but instead a race of evil aliens. These debaucheries force helpless, defenseless young men to take these substances, which secretly harbour their offspring, something even more painful than a double period of physics. Anyway, typical scenario goes like this. Oh there! Oh dude! What's wrong with you? I see what you're trying to do there. He's trying to pull a sickie. Dying? Oh, that sounds serious.
Yeah, it sucks.
Oh, what have you been doing? Being listening to Justin Bieber?
No, it's worse than that.
Well, Rebecca Black?
No, it's worse than that. There was this guy, Alex Ferguson.
Good God!
I think you learned something.
I beg your pardon?
Nothing like that.
What the hell is that? How is it?
Well, it looks like a sock.
Oh, why do you have a sock in you? What's it doing there?
I don't know. I think Fergie put it there.
Oh, I can't trust that Fergie. Oh, I don't know. Is it pain? Well, let's have a go.
Stop touching.
Oh, anything to do? What's your problem, man? Well, it's during testing, should we say we put it back in?
I'd rather eat it.
I think we should.
I'd rather eat it.
I think we should.
Really rather.
I'm gonna do it.
No.
It's gonna fit!
No, it's out! It's not gonna fit!
It's gonna fit!
It's not! It's not gonna fit, man!
It's gonna fit! It's your bloody hand! I think that's alright now. Can you stand? Alright.
Is this sexy?
I guess it is. It's kind of cute, really, isn't it? Look at you!
Will you stop touching my appendage, please?
Sorry. So, let's walk off. So, how do you explain this to your mother?